Why is you all on my phone like you want me, like you wasn't pushing the kid to the side? I don't know if you bitches are thinking I'm blind. Cross on my crosses and dot on my eyes. Done with your efforts, I'm dealing with pressures. I know it's a lesson, that's word of the wise. Dubbing the mixes I'm mixing, I know I've been missing. I needed some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't with your digits, I mean it, I'm staying inside.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, as you guys can see, I have a HelloFresh box delivered to my doorstep. You guys know my schedule is super crazy, so going to the grocery store and actually cooking, ooh, I don't really have time for it. But with HelloFresh, I can cut down going to the grocery store with having all my groceries delivered to me and the meals already prepped and ready. So HelloFresh will send you, custom meals every week. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. I invited one of my friends over to help me cook and have dinner. So he should be on the way. I'm gonna see what we have in here, but I'm gonna wait to see like what he wants to eat. So when I open the box, I have the meal cards with instructions on how to cook all the meals, and they're super easy, like under 30 minutes, 20 minutes. So that's what I like to hear. Your girl is hungry and wants to eat. All right, so I got the meals prepped out. My friend is here. Harlem's barking.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, so I have everything kind of laid out.
Okay.
Okay, did you come prepared to eat?
Listen, I'm hungry. I had a long day.
I had a long day too.
What are you doing?
Okay, so in these little bags are the different meals.
Okay, let me see how they look.
This is what they look like. What you feeling for dinner? What you feeling for dinner?
Let's see, they all look good, but I think I'm feeling this one right here.
The beef bulgogi bowl?
Yeah, let's do that.
I like white rice. So on an everyday basis, do you cook or do you order in? Is your fridge stocked at home?
Listen, they call me Chef Barre. But I like to cook, but sometimes I'm a little busy. I don't get to go shopping, but
so you could also.
I could benefit for that.
So this is the beef. Let's go with the beef. You wanna open it up? And then I can just put this in the fridge and save this for tomorrow night. So you judging me over here making the rice, the meat, everything else, and then you can't even get the cucumbers, right?
Yo, I had it right and you messed me all up. Nah, we still good though, because like I said, I'm a chef, so I got this.
Okay.
You got that.
Turn this on.
Bowl.
So we're finishing up dinner. Make sure you guys go to HelloFresh.com and use my code JaylaK10 to get 10 free meals plus free shipping. So he is making the finishing sauce that will be included in our meal.
The special sauce,
you see
the special sauce.
What's going on there with the cucumber. However, this is, easy for beginners. As you can see.
For her, because I'm definitely not a beginner. I told you, they call me Chef Barre, so I'm definitely not a beginner. Boom, killing it. And you let the wrist work. That's it. You see the arms. You just let the wrist work.
Splashing stuff.
I'm splashing stuff? Oh, you got a little on your teeth. It's alright. You're gonna get messy in the kitchen. Like, don't get in the kitchen if you're just trying to be pretty. The meat right over there.
My meat is fine. It's fine. I'm just trying to see what's going on.
I need a spoon. Wait, this is not a drizzle consistency, is it? Yeah, it's drizzle consistency.
That is not drizzle consistency. Look.
What you mean? So you gotta put more water in.
That's a glop. That's not drizzle.
Can you see this? It's a drizzle yet or not?
That is not drizzle.
Alright, chill. I was testing you. I'm trying to test you to make sure you good.
That's not a drizzle. That's glops.
Listen,
that's like glop.
I'm doing my own
okay. That's enough. That's enough.
You see that? Yo, that's a masterpiece right there.
So thank you, Anthony, for coming over and helping me cook. Anytime. Do you wanna, add your gram for the ladies?
Anytime. The Instagram's at Calvin Klein with a K.
Okay.
KLVIN
the
underscore
model
Klein.
who, he just got to take off his shirt on the
No,
gram
relax. Listen,
all the
listen.
time.
I don't take off my
But,
shirt, you know. Only for
okay.
charity I take off my shirt. That's it, you know. I know my worth, you know.
Thanks for coming by.
Of course.
Alright guys, I am off to an event tonight. It's super cold, so this is what I threw together. A little skirt, top, coat, boot. Hi Harlem. Hi Whoops. Mommy's leaving. Okay, Uber is here. Alright guys, just arrived at the event.
Welcome to Wash Day Reimagined. And I've been hearing, what is that? What are you talking about? What's happening? But before I get to that, I am Lisa Price and I am Carol's daughter. Thank you. And I've been in this game for a minute. 27 years. It's a long time, but happy to be here. Thank you, thank you. It gives me an appreciation to see so many different types of hair and textures and colors and styles, because that did not used to exist for us. And it's sometimes still a fight for us to have at work and at school. What are some of the pain points within Wash Day? How can we work on them? How can we make them better? And one of the things that I found interesting when we began to do our research was so many women of color in particular, because that's to whom we were speaking, said, I don't care about my shampoo. It's just to get my hair clean. It's gonna strip my hair anyway. It's gonna make tangles anyway. It's not gonna feel soft. I just need to get my hair clean. And I was like, wow, no, we don't want it to be stripped. We don't want it to get extra tangles. We definitely want it to be soft. It's not completely up to the conditioner to do that job. So how do I change the conversation? How do I make you fall in love at first wash?
Alright guys, it's after the event. I'm with Raven. We're going to this new restaurant. We're at the Hudson Yard. Super cute shopping center over here now. And they have really cute restaurants. So I want to try a new restaurant and we'll see how cute it is. Up the escalators, they said. They have all the stores in here. They have so many restaurants. Hey Raven.
Hey girl.
I missed you.
Long time no see, not really.
I know, like 45 days.
Usually we see each other like once
a year. Once a year.
Once a year-ish.
Ish.
We get all the goodies.
Super cute spot. This is how the cocktails look. And it's from east to west. All over. Which one am I gonna get? So I am off again. Okay, this time I fit the stuff in the carry-on. I'm going to North Carolina for 48 hours. I keep doing these little trips, but listen, I gotta get in and I gotta get out. So it is my best friend's baby shower tomorrow. I'm flying in today. I'm going to have a little lunch with my little sister. So as soon as I touch down, me and her are gonna go to lunch. The only struggle with this carry-on is that I feel like I changed my coat and I don't know like which coat I ever want to bring. So that's just been the struggle. Like I want to wear brown tomorrow, but I'm wearing black today.
So I had to pick one.
I was really scared earlier because it was coming down in New York. I was like Googling, does planes take off when snow is falling? But nothing, my flight hasn't been impacted. It was just coming down so hard early. Like, this is what it looks like on the ground. Even someone is, okay, getting the snow up already. We gotta clear it out. Clear it out. Look, I packed everything is in there. Okay, and then I can put my book bag on here. I'm gonna call my Uber. Oh, so this is how I'm traveling. My book bag and suitcase is from Away. I really like the pink because it stands out when just needing to know where your luggage is when getting off flights and stuff. And then I love that this has this flap right here, so it's like really convenient. They have other colors, so I may, you know, swap it out and get another color. The pink does get a little messed up, but I mean, it's light pink, so it's cool. And yeah, I just really like the convenience of this flap. Now, when I have other book bags, I always try to do this and they don't have this flap, so this is just like my go-to book bag right here, honest. Because I'm leaving, I got Harlem a treat, which is a little pig ear, and then I got him some new toys and stuff. So I want to get something that I can play music and like movies or something, just some noise. Boop boop, mommy's leaving. You don't care because you got that nail? Mommy's leaving. Alright guys, I made it to the airport and they have a whole like buffet at LaGuardia. Chips, magazines. I'm like, okay. Have all like the snacks out and stuff. Look, this is my little container. I'm about to get some. This is some of the food they have. I'm like, okay, airport. But salad, healthy life. That's where I'm at. Alright guys, I am back in North Carolina with my sister. We're going to get ice cream. Jason's Deli has really good ice cream and really good seafood gumbo, so I'm getting both. Okay? We have our ice cream. Cheers, Jay. Cheers to ice cream day. Okay, Jason's Deli also has like a salad bar. I got my soup. Let's get spoons. Where's spoons at? We eating ice cream in the wintertime. Hey, when your hot mom step out for the night, how was dinner?
It's just got started.
Okay.
I am back in New York. I had a short trip in North Carolina and I am back. Hey Harlem, I missed you. You miss me? Yes. So I have not seen Trey basically all 2020. We did bring in the new year together.
Perfect. I figured we could do steak and eggs in the morning.
Okay, I'm so excited because we haven't seen each other. So when I left for North Carolina, we were under the impression that we were gonna miss each other. He's been traveling for work and I have not seen him. So we thought we were gonna miss each other, but when I got back, he called me and I answered the phone. I said, "You're still in New York?" So he's like, "Yes, where are you at?" I'm like, "I'm on the way home." And he's like, "Okay, I'm coming over, like I'm hungry, like we can cook." We haven't cooked in Harlem wants attention. Say, yes, the people see you. You miss them too? You miss them too? Yeah. Yeah, pooch. Okay, so won these at the baby shower for a game that I played. And this is the wine that I like. Woo, baby, this is good. This is my shit. Okay, so this wine right here is what I would recommend to entry-level wine drinkers. I was against wine. I was like, wine really isn't my thing, but I really like sweet drinks, and this wine tastes so good. It basically tastes like juice, which is a problem, but I really, really like this wine. So we're gonna have a wine food night. We're gonna catch up. We're gonna talk. We're gonna do what we do best, listen to music, talk about music, the updated music that we've been liking. Okay, he probably gonna play me some new songs. I'm gonna play my songs that I like. I'm just so excited. I miss my friends so much. Ooh. Who is it? Trey! I miss my friends so much.
Okay, hair. Come back through.
Not, did you take the whole?
I took the basket.
Not, did you take the whole basket from the store?
They'll be okay. I'll take it back later. Hey, say, nigga, I don't want to talk. Meet me at the
the page of me when the money bounce. That's why I keep my little cat in their mouth. What? Hey, free JT. Hey, real niggas stuck with me. Hey, do shit for the free. Hey.
Oh, that's new glasses.
Yes, I got them at Lanisha Baby Shower because I won a game.
Yay! Of course, you can win the wine glasses. Period. Oh.
Those are good. Oh, I opened the wine. Hello.
Hello. Let me go to my iTunes. Okay, this the one.
What?
My shit right now, $2.
I saw you post this.
Yeah, I really run it up.
Okay.
I really run it up.
What?
I really run it up. Hey, watch out, white moves. You say
Long as fuck.
Period. Okay, period. Long hair, don't care.
Wait.
Yes. My schedule, honestly, for the last couple of months have been ridiculous. And then to top it, Fashion Week is coming up again. So, it's just like I never really get a break. So, I don't know. I feel like I need to plan a little trip out the country to some beach and just have a little relaxed time for myself. So, I might plan that. I have an event tonight. I have an event tomorrow. My schedule is booked until after Fashion Week. I just need to add some more me time in my schedule. So I'm going to try to do that for the month of February because, whoo, your girl has been on go. I'm so surprised that I have a cold because I've been drinking so much water, but you know, you can pick up some germs anywhere. Okie dokie, hair is dead. Okay, hair's done, makeup's almost done. Gonna do my lashes, waiting for the glue. Let me find this outfit and then I'm heading out to the event. So when I don't know what to wear, I go in my closet and grab one of my little black dresses. I have so many of them that, listen, me saying that I don't have anything to wear is a lie. So I picked this one, wear my peacoat with it because from 6 to 6:45 is red carpet and cocktails, and then at 6:45 is dinner. So I think this is a nice little dress for a cocktail type event, right? So yeah, let me go, let me call the Uber.
To the beach, wait. I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Could get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slipped deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company. It's funny. I used to wanna grow.
All right, here's the kiss event.
To the microphone, got him nodding along. Maybe she'll save the world for me. Maybe she'll right my wrongs if I'm coming on too strong. Oh well, only way to tell is by saying just how I feel, and that's real.